Hello and welcome. We are Visual Labs, and you may have seen us in Halifax last year. We represent a paradigm shift in thinking about law enforcement camera solutions. You can replace many pieces of unconnected hardware with a single device, a smartphone. You no longer need a separate body camera, digital camera, audio recorder, or GPS unit. And you do not need docking stations, routers, station wiring, or any additional hardware. All you need is any Android smartphone and the Visual Labs software. We offer a complete solution of body cameras, in-car cameras, and interview room cameras, all using smartphone technology. These solutions can be up to 90% less expensive than competing products and are all integrated into our evidence management platform. There is no need to purchase proprietary vendor hardware or enter into any long-term financial commitment. Here's a short video of one of our customers describing our body camera solution.
In today's times, it's important, I feel, for a police officer to have a body camera just to help people see that there's more than one side of a story. It's very durable, it clings on to right there, and it doesn't move with whatever action I'm taking throughout the day.
Well, I use the body camera usually on traffic stops. We do a lot of traffic stops during the day.
There's a big red button on the top, and all I do is press it once.
Camera recording started.
It's a really wide lens, so it grabs the area pretty much, so you're not having to pan back and forth to try to capture someone who may be talking, to this side of you or to that side of it. It'll pretty much grab the entire area.
Hey, officer. I'm also Max with the Henry County Police Department. I stopped you because I noticed when you came to the intersection.
So if you take a photograph, it documents where it's taken, and then the officer can enter the case number for the photo or video. All that is done right there from the cellular device. When the officer records a video in the field, it is immediately uploaded to the cloud and is accessible by the officer, supervisors, or anyone that wants to review the video out in the field.
The Visual Labs website is extremely easy to use. It's all within a couple of clicks, and it's right there.
If you add on all these applications that now Visual Labs provides, such as digital camera, GPS, body camera, and they can use a cell phone, well, now you're getting more bang for your buck, as I say.
It's a real good system. It may be one more piece of equipment, but it's just the one piece of equipment that makes sense.
In summary, we offer a complete evidence management platform supporting body cameras, in-car cameras, and interview room cameras. Please stop by to learn more at booth 512 or visit us online at visuallabsinc.ca. Thank you.